Okay guys, what's up? It's Mr. PSC Uploader. I know I haven't made videos in a long time. Well, I started using Google Chrome and I wasn't actually logged into my account on that, so I couldn't really I didn't know how, and then I finally clicked on the Internet Explorer. Well, anyways, today we're gonna review the Nerf gun, the Stampede. And right now I don't really care anymore. I'm just gonna show my face. Well, yeah, the Stampede, ECS, pretty good gun. I like it. So let's start off with the attachments. You got grip. It's a bipod, so okay, that's the bipod. Then you got the shield. You actually have to like pinch these things, so you'll take it off. It's not really for sliding on, but I guess you can. So those are the only two attachments it comes with. Bam. It comes with three extended clips, 18. It comes with one regular clip, 16 bullets, and then six D batteries, which is a lot. It has safety mode. The 6 D batteries go back here. The bad things about this, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tactical rails, 6 tactical rails, 6 tactical rails. Bad things about this gun, it's pretty heavy for a Nerf gun, because with the batteries in it, it makes it pretty heavier, not super heavy, but for a Nerf gun, it is. Bad things. This scope that you look through. When you put on the ride shield, it's like covering it up, so you can't really see it. You can't really aim down through the scope part. The bad thing is, as I said, it's heavy for a Nerf gun. Can't really think of anything else. Bad part. It's heavy. One thing, the bipod. If you're not like standing straight, like making the gun actually go like that, and you have the extended clip on, the extended clip will hit the floor without it'll be like that, and this won't even be touching, the bipod won't be touching the floor. So yeah, that's the problem with it. For some reason, sometimes the clip doesn't want to come out. You have something to make it be able to see if any bullets get jammed, which does once a bullet got ripped in half in here somehow. The good thing about it is if it gets jammed, it doesn't stop, and bullets still come out. All in all, it's a pretty good gun. Aimer's pretty good. You can add an attachment. It comes with three extended 18 bullet clips, and then it comes with one 6 clip. The cool thing I like about this is it actually has a little recoil. Like when you shoot, it's like you feel a little recoil like that. Like you feel a little recoil, which is cool. First time I shot it, it caught me off guard. Well, yeah, that was my video. I am starting up more videos on MW3, MW2, maybe COD 4, Black Ops, Skate 2, and Skate 3. I don't know what else. What other games? I might get Battlefield 2. I might if I save up, get Black Ops 2, which would be awesome. What else? Well, yeah, that's it. I might try and start a clan with everybody. Yeah, and I bedroom there. There. Well, yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. If you're still watching it, hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like. I'm not a very good recorder. I'm trying to get better stuff, but Stampede, I got it for 25. Good price. Yeah, guys. Bye.